Good morning, student. I welcome all of you in our bridge course, and today's topic is match the opposite word here. Match the opposite word here. So we have to read the first what is given here and what we have to find here. So we have to find here the opposite word here. So here given here the first happy. So here the opposite word of happy, that is sad. So here E is here in sad. So we have to write answer E with the happy here. Then second is given, that is fat. So fat means opposite word slim. Which number is given here? D. So our answer include here D. Then third, that is sell. Sell means opposite word, that is buy. So here given here C. Then our answer is C here. Then that is fast. Fast means opposite word, that is slow. So what is given here? That is B. So our answer include here B. Then rich. Rich, the opposite word, that is poor. So here include A. So we have to write A in our answer here. Then another matching is given here, that is clever is given here, that is clever. So clever, it means foolish, opposite word, that is foolish. So E is given, so we have to write E in our answer. Then second, possible, it means opposite word, that is impossible. So D is given here, so our answer is D. Then end is given, that is we start our work, that is begin. So C is given, we have to write our answer C here. Then hat, I hat you, that is love. So here given B. So our answer include here B. Then hot, the opposite word, that is cold. So A is given here with the cold. So our answer here A. So here what you have to do in matching, either similar word is given or opposite word is given. So you have to try to understand the meaning of that particular word. Then you can easily match here with the opposite or similar word. Then another is given here. Third question is here, write the similar word of the following word. So here we have to find the similar, same meaning. The same meaning we have to find here. Like first is given, that is home. We can say house also. Home, the similar word, that is house. Then second, that is mistake. This is my mistake. We can say also fault. It is my fault. Mistake and fault both are same word. Correct, we can say it is right only. It means your answer is correct, your answer is right. We can use both words here. That is hard, that is difficult to understand. We can say it is hard sum, it is difficult sum to solve here. That is hard, it means difficult. That is power. Power means force. We can say that. We can use both word here, power or force. Both have the same meaning. Then answer. Answer the following question. Then reply. I reply the question. So here answer or reply both have the same similar meaning here. That is luck. Luck means it is my fortune. Fortune and luck both are for the use for the future. It means it is my luck. We can use luck or fortune. Both have the same meaning is given here. Then 8 example is given here, like sacred, that is holy. Ganga is a sacred river. We can say that Ganga is a holy river. Both have the same meaning. Then giant, we can say that it is large. It is giant tree. It is large tree. We can use also huge tree here. Then war. War means that is battle. We can use any one out of two words. It means war or battle here. So you can learn here, you can understand here the similar word, but we have to by heart this similar word, then we can easily understand. But the spelling is most important here. The meaning of that particular words is most important. If we know the meaning, then we can easily give the reply of opposite word or similar. Okay, thank you.